Hey everyone, I hope that every one of you are having a terrific day. Uh, as time, as the weather is getting better, I'm trying to do more solar stuff and also a little bit more repairs, GPUs, motherboards, TVs, and that kind of things. But unfortunately not everything is fixable, and some of easy jobs I'm not recording, as for example uh, my friend who I help with solar off-grid system just sent me some of his stuff to repair. GPU with a broken capacitor, broken off capacitor, so that was quite easy job. And also motherboard with a 6 or 7 bent pins, which now are more or less straight, and one was broken, but it's not a big deal because everything is working as it should. Games are running great, and yeah, and also it had one burnt off trace, which is fixed. But as you can see from video title, this is a video about Epever tracer10420AN charge controller, 100 amps, total beast. But they have implicated in its circuit board one weak spot, from my opinion, and that is a MOSFET. Not these kind of MOSFETs that you might see in regular smaller or even a little bit uh, expensive charge controllers like SRNE and Jesudom MPPT controllers, for example, like these ones. This one is PWM, but still it runs on these MOSFETs. What they what they have done with I believe from 50 to 100 amp controllers, they have put they have implicated these kind of GPU MOSFETs, which are acting like a fuse before these ones, because this controller has these MOSFETs and also big ones like RGBTs and if I pronounced that correctly, and that kind of MOSFET. And so here it is, quite a big beast. I helped Arthur to get all these components for his off-grid system. but unfortunately we decided to switch his panels from 100 volts, approximately 100 volts, to 200 volts, 180 volts, I believe would be correct. And situation was that if I'm correct, then his battery disconnect switch did got disconnected, but solar panels was still uh, online, and I believe that was the case when these MOSFETs blew up. I'm not sure if these ones are dead. These ones are dead for sure, but I'm not sure if those big MOSFETs, regular MOSFETs, will be also dead, uh, or they will be just fine, because it works, but it doesn't show amps and watts, not in here, and not in software. So yeah, this will be a part 1 because I have a limited time in working days, and yeah, I have to go to work. Uh, but yeah, I'm not gonna open this controller today. Probably tonight after work, and then I could go live, I believe, or or I could make a video just like this one. I haven't decided yet. Uh, Still upgrading my PC for better parts so I can go live stream more. Uh, Also on Twitch. But yeah, basically, if you don't see watts and amps, then most likely that those small MOSFETs are gone, one or two, because they are in this controller. There is 4 pairs with them, two on each leg, on each line. So yeah, okay guys, have a great day. I'm a little bit nervous about filming myself, but I will get used to it. So stay safe and have a great day.